Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Stella Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Today, Goacan is observing the World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims in Margao Municipal Garden. This program we initiated in 2009 and today we are holding it with a view that we would like this message to go to all villages and towns so that in future all the village panchayat road safety and traffic management committees and the municipal road safety and traffic management committees will take this movement forward. This movement basically is to remember those who have died, those who have seriously injured in road accident, so we can share the pain of so many of the families that have lost their near and dear ones, and also to take a resolve, to take a pledge that we will work for better road safety measures in our village, in our district and the state of Goa. At the same time, to have better traffic management in our state of Goa. We are very pleased to see that many of the participants in today's program are those who have lost their near and dear ones, and they have come, brought photographs of those who have lost to participate in this event. And we are hopeful that this event will motivate people to join the traffic warden scheme of the traffic police, the road safety patrol of the traffic police and the road safety committees in our villages and towns.